Well, with me, I said I'm going to give her a gift, and the gift has been given. I give lectures, and soon I would not be giving these anymore. It would be my daughter. The daughter that made the Banju, a product that is hitting the United States like some storm. Everybody's saying how the grades have improved. Children have been taking it. Nerve problem is gone. Of course. We want to be sweet. Why not? I want to love my brother. I don't want to feel like my brother's a threat to me because I'm not better than him. He got the same components I have. So how could I be better than any male in this audience? It's impossible. So yes, we have visited the organic world, the world of God Almighty, the world that complements everyone, the world that is carbon-based, and so you and I. So you all understood that the way that Dr. Sebi curates is that he cleansed the human body. He cleansed the mucus out of the body. But in the process of cleansing, we have to replenish the minerals that has been lost by the presence of the acid state.